Hi, this side Samir Verma from Alpha Value Consulting. We all know current pandemic environment has directly affected the cash flows and financial solvency of most of the industries around the globe. Today I am going to talk about future prospects and some important valuation parameters which need to be taken care while doing valuation of personal protective equipment segment of healthcare industry. Personal protective equipment kit generally consists of mask, eye shield, shoe cover, gown, gloves, hand sanitizer, generally used by doctors and healthcare workers during the treatment of patients. As per data available in public domain, with around 111 manufacturers, India likely to produce 2 crore PPE kit by end of June. With that, India becomes world's second largest manufacturer in this segment. Undoubtedly, this will reduce the dependency of our country on foreign countries for PPE kit items. This segment is expected to grow at a CAGR of 9% during FY 2020 and 2025 to reach USD 93 billion from USD 53 billion. With growing demand, this segment of healthcare becomes price sensitive. The quality assurance is a factor which need to be taken care in the coming time. The shop sells non-branded at much cheaper rate than the price of corresponding branded PPE kit. If we talk about important parameters of valuation, EV by EBITDA valuation multiple is generally used to value the unlisted company in this sector. Considering the future prospects, ideally we should not weigh each company belongs to this sector equally. Comparable listed company can be segregated based upon types of products, like face and hand protection segment is likely to witness significant market growth in coming time than other types of products of PPE kit. Another parameter which can be used for segregation of comparable listed company is by end use or geography industry. With that I mean rising demand for products during the given time frame is temporary or permanent. Demand is on account of economic growth and rapid industrialization or growing awareness regarding the workplace safety. Another factor which can be used for segregation of comparable company by application of products. It is catering the demand of construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, chemicals, food, pharmaceutical, transportation, healthcare market or some another market. License to manufacture PPE kit item has a more predominant value in overall value of a company, which can be valued through relief from royalty and with or without cash flow methodology. Valuer need to be cautious, take care of all these elements while doing valuation. Thank you.